He does it in this clip. Bamenzani amshiya. Tries to foul. Wabaqeda umfana. This is the only striker. 3 defenders, you're given one job. One job is to mark this guy. But no 3. Nipegi bola. The striker is behind you. They lose the ball. AmaZulu. Vulegile, Scotini, Amstel Scotini Arena. Simple pass. Pirates will play the ball in the air. You have to win the second ball. This guy was pressing no one. Begamake, no one. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 3, AmaZulu 0. Great performance from the Pirates, great results. In terms of the title race, the only thing that Pirates needs to do is to win all their matches and win big. Because if they win big, it's like a point to them. Because if it happens that Sundowns drops 2 points, then the goal difference is over in cool. And I don't think Sundowns will catch up. But they just have to hope with Sundowns drop points. Now, going into the game, when you are AmaZulu, when you're playing against a big team, you have to change the style of play or the formation any jala. AmaZulu jala a 3-4-3 system. When they lose the ball, it becomes 5 at the back. Right? You cannot play like that the whole season, especially when you play against against a big team. You have to change the system because they beat you in the first leg, right? In the first round, they beat you playing that system. Now they beat you again. Remember, they will prepare for you. Right? These are the 3 attacking players as the AmaZulu. These are the 2. Now, you'll always find spaces, food. They will give you space. You have to change the way you approach your formation. You cannot play with 2 midfielders against the Pirates. You cannot have a double pivot pair against the Pirates because the Pirates has half 10, right? Or in this game, I think Police will as a half 10. Now, the ball is this side. This is Police. Now look where the space is. There's space here. So I'm saying Uguti Umuremi was not playing as a half 10 most of the time. Not because he's not comfortable. Because if you were playing as a half 10, he would have been here. AmaZulu, they give you spaces because they have 2 players in the midfield. Now they have space here, you have space here. You'll watch, I'll show you again. In another clip where Police has too much space. Now, he needs to come and drop here so that he can go there. But because he's not comfortable, he loses the ball. Another example, right? You see how AmaZulu is pressing. Let me not say pressing, right? You see Gutibagu. Don't forget this picture because this is what you're supposed to do when you play against Pirates. If they have the ball here, if Uchene has got the ball, I'll push. You are not supposed to drop. Remember, Lenteng is short. Now, let's continue. Left center back, it goes to the left back. Now, where is the space? The space is here. Remember the 2 double pivot. This is the first one. This is the second midfielder. Sigupi space, Sila. You can't have that. You can't have that. They had 3 central defenders. 1, 2, 3. There is no need when you play against Pirates. There's no need for you to have 3 central defenders because they play with 1 striker. If you have 3, then it means these 2 they need to be to push up most of the time. Okay, sharp. Watch what happens. space, ball inside. Fortunately for Warner, they defend this one. Ball rotation. If you rotate the ball a lot, space is of vulega because already sikhona, right? Sharp. This is the central midfielder. This is the central midfield. This space is sigupi sila. Okay, sharp. Rotate the ball. Shall rotator. What happens? Bayasvala ngithi. Basivalile. It's okay. Nothing wrong. If bavale ngapha, kuvulekile somewhere. 1, 2. Space is sigupi sila. Watch what happens. Apolis drops deep. Drops deep. The space in front of him. Yenzani? Yashai. Simple. Atazwane, your formation, you can't play like that than the Pirates. Amazulu had a chance, right? Should have scored or should have hit a target. When you play Orlando, when you get a chance, Pirates, when you get a chance against a Pirates, you have to utilize it because once they score, you won't come back. Now, I spoke about Usibelebele. Let me take it back. I did a clip Yagasibelebele few days back. Uguti, when it comes to defending, he presses Kakun over too tight. You can't do that. You can't do that. You need to know when to do it, when not to do it. He does it in this clip. Bamenzani, Amshia tries to foul. Wabaqeda umfana. Poor finishing, but the good thing, I don't think a lot of people notice it. uMakhawula, very smart here. If you look at uMakhawula, he stops kancane, right? Because he knows ukuthi this guy is right-footed. Angafuna ukutaka in, but he stops kancane and block his angle. And then this guy, what he was supposed to do, use your left foot. I don't know why players don't use their left foot. It gives you space. It gives you a lot of space. If you play a lizang up, you use your left foot, then you shoot. He stops kancane uMakhawula la. Akapheleli just to block him. If the attacker decides to come here, you are going to block. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Bafethu times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. First goal of the game. Now, remember what I said, Uguti. When Usipochain has the ball here, the Amazulu, they are not supposed to drop back because what Pirates want, they want to play the ball long. They don't care about the first ball. They care about the second ball. If you don't win the second ball, you are going to be in trouble. You keep on dropping. Now Usipochain uphethe ball. I'll push. There's no, why are you dropping? You should just stand. If you stand and go and press him, he'll play it there. But now, too late. They don't care about the first ball. The second ball is the problem. Now watch what happens. Male, siya shorter. Now cross. Inside. I don't know how many times I've said this, Wuti. You have to win the first ball, man. The second ball, sorry. You have to win the second ball, Ujalani Pirates. Hey. Now, defending. I've never seen. I'm going to show you later on in the video. I've never seen central defenders I3 every time when they cross the ball. We are in trouble as a team. Now 1, 2, 3. This is the only striker. 3 defenders. You're given one job. One job is to mark this guy. But no 3. The striker is behind you. This guy is supposed to be here. You can't expect this guy to be going up and down here and then Abuya Zomaka is striker. Sugar. Look at this guy. You're standing. What are you defending here? Because you're supposed to be here defending this guy. Bafethu. He's complaining. When I'm fanagit. It's simple defending. Simple. C3. I've said it before and then I'm gonna say it again. The 3-4-3 system, it's a very dangerous system. If you use it correctly, it's dangerous for the opponent. If you don't use it properly, it's dangerous for you. Now, I don't think Amazulu bayenza, right? Especially this guy is the right full wing, right? Not right wing, the right full wing. Now, he is a defender. You can't play this formation with a defender. You have to play it nabantu abafana nabo Hoto, Abo Murena, players like that. Not a defender. Okay, sharp. This is one central defender. It sharp. Ball on the left. You'll always. This guy is perfect on the left hand side for Amazulu. He gives them that width. We're pumping and defending a move. On the right hand side, bad. Now the ball is on the right, on the left, and it's gonna come back in the middle. Now you'll see what it is. There'll be space that side. Now this guy is supposed to be here, or as soon as the ball comes here, start making your run late. Because Umuremi is not really focusing Guye. He's just focused with Azomaka, this guy, or not to shoot. But what does Ellen do? He goes there instead of making that run there. That space is valuable. What Millicent's in mind? Now we have to try footy and find the space. Suka. Wrong choice for me. Wrong choice. I'd rather play a winger there, even if they are not good in terms of defending. I'd rather play him than play a defender. Watch, they play it on the left hand side. But manje, a space, a circle. When we had space, we didn't utilize that space. I have never seen every time when in between the central defenders, the team is in trouble. When there's three central defenders, I've never seen that. There's a problem. There's a problem with these guys at the back as a Amazulu. Just watch. Good pass. We are in trouble. Now we have to defend for our lives. That's the first one. Number 2. So simple, especially footile. La, ta, ball. Almost scored. Number 3. Pirates wins the ball. Empty. Just like that, we are in trouble. Number 4. Long pass. First touch. Bah. Buffet. There's no way every time people are behind defenders, our 3 central defenders, every time they play the ball, we are always chasing, we are always in trouble. No. There's something wrong. There's something wrong with that defending. There's something wrong. Did well, Amuremi. First touch, second touch, unlucky. But in terms of defending, no. They need to talk. These defenders know others one and they need to figure something out. Every time when you play against Pirates, there's no need to have 3 central defenders. You're just putting yourself under unnecessary pressure because Umfukeng, our police, they like to shoot outside the box. They are not players about boxing, things like that. Now watch this. Because we have 5 at the back, that is the problem. That is the problem. Now watch. This is the 1 center back, right? Sharp. Ball goes back there. Now he comes back here. Why do you come back? Because there's no one to mark there. Then everyone should push. Now you should push. I need you were here now helping to defend. You can't expect these 2 guys. The problem, Yaga Atazwan, you can't expect these 2 guys to be covering the midfielder bonke. You cannot. Because watch what happens. Watch what happens here. Now, this guy presses Bamqed. Too late. Because too late. It's because this guy, I need these 2 are midfielders. This one is protecting. I need to buy 2 guys. Ne? One will protect the right hand side. The other one will protect the left hand side. But now, when you have this guy now pushing Ayale, Kuban is spacing up, which is wrong. He's not supposed to be pressing there. One of these guys, one of the central defenders, has to be pushing. Boy, 2, Babuyele move. For who? For the what? For the Pagat. Second half. Football or sports is simple, guys. It's copy and paste. There's only a few people in sports, okay, let's say in football, that will come up with new creative ideas and formation. The rest is copy and paste. Abanye, they make adjustments, right? You find about Jurgen Klopp, then you find about Pep. Those are the people maybe will come up with new formations or new ways of playing football. But the rest of the coaches is copy and paste, formation and whatsoever. Now, what Atazwane failed to do is to do copy and paste. This time of the season, you go and see a team edlale nePirates ukuthi labantu laba babadle kanjani, labantu laba bathrowe kanjani. You copy and paste. Not what now you want to do your own thing. They could have received 5 or 6 now. Let me show you. Because they were wide open. Because sesigodini akusho ukuthi kumele nivuleke nibe wide open. Now, AmaZulu try to play the long ball here. What I always say, great players will only pass a player that has 1 or 2 options. 2 options or more. If they have 1 option, they'll try and look for another player who has two options or more. So they play the ball there. This guy wins and we are loser. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, I understand. The score, it was 2-0. It was too late. When again Sabu fed. Now, wide open. Kamisile are our central defenders. Just 1 pass. Butuma, you need to work on your finishing. Just 1 pass. 1 simple pass. Yeah. Another. Yeah. Simple. They lose the ball in AmaZulu. Vulegile, Scotini, Amstel Scotini Arena. Simple pass. Should have scored here. Should have done better. Goal Pirates. Goal Lagamfukeng. Beauty. Now, okay, pressing. Now, nemthatshela here. Ungamfaka under pressure. Akekho that delicious. Umfaka under pressure mfana ngithi. Wena turn and run with the ball into the space and see ukuthi bazoyenzani these 2. Now, another thing. This guy Who was he picking up? Ne? Picking up no one. Now watch. Pirates will play the ball in the air. You have to win the second ball. This guy was pressing no one. Begamake no one. But now, sekwenzakalani? You have to chase back. You have to chase back. 1 against 1. First pole. First pole, Mpanagiti. Striker, go to the first pole. Now watch. Krekaleka. Krekalama sweetie. Nakia. Was Gagel. Started from where? From the press. Press was bad. Everything was bad in jail. Second ball here na. Bafethu. No matter, it was a beautiful goal. I don't know ukuthi mina bekwenzakalani ngama midfielder weAmaZulu now. Because you must look at the time that he has. Look at the time that he has. The time that he has ukuthi aliyekele ibhola. When I say pass someone who's in a better scoring position, this is what I mean. Ne? AmaZulu bese bakhathele pressing whatsoever, you won't get it there mfanakithi. MasterChef is too strong. It's hard for you to get a ball mawuzompressa. He's too strong. Extieni bayazwokela bakhathele shem. Now watch. Pass someone who's in a better scoring position. This was brilliant. Pass someone who's in a better scoring position. You uyambona umntana abantu uyagijima, he's making a run. Angithi nike, that's simple. Final clip bese ngiyayivala ne. Development is very important, guys. Development is very important. Very, very, very important. Very important. Now, they are being pressed, the Pirates, ne, by 1% here. It is 1, 2, 3 against 1. Ne? Now, Usipho Mbule should have made a run here. Ukuthi bampasse, then he passes there. It's simple. That's what they do these days. Wherever the striker or the forward is coming from, that's where we're gonna play the ball there. Because this guy, I need to press it, press a lot. So if Mbule drops here, simple pass. But agalfun, it's okay. Now watch Usibisi. Utorejisa kama Mexican. If we are a World Cup, askadlala. Because the simple thing of football, ne? Ibhola baya pass, ne? You twist your body. You trap and then you pass. If you're under pressure, and you don't let the ball go really. You need to know it's trapping, guys. When you're under pressure, ibhola will trap la on your feet. Then we'll pass a foot with your right foot. Not this thing that you are doing. He had time. You see, he had time. Ukuthi twist your body yakhe. Twist your body. Mfanaki twist we are pass. Not this thing. Lichorojisa kama Mexican ilona. Okay, sharp. Let's go and look at the penalty. I don't think it was a penalty. Maybe it was a penalty. But this pass, and this, great save by the keeper. I think limshayile corner somewhere there. The corner there. But great performance from the Pirates. Disappointed by others one. Copy and paste. Simple. Copy and paste. Now we do the simple thing. Like and subscribe. Simple. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.